Have you ever heard of the Japanese cube freezing trick? It's currently taking the internet by storm because it can help you save money on your electricity and time in the kitchen. Let me show you how it works. Normally, when you fill a standard ice cube tray with water and place it in the freezer, the process takes a long time. It also uses more energy than you might expect, and in the end, you're left with a relatively small number of ice cubes. This is the method most people use without realizing there's a more efficient alternative. That's where the Japanese trick comes in. With this method, those problems disappear. Plus, there's an extra benefit you'll notice right away. To start, simply take a zip-top bag and fill it with water, just as you would when filling an ice cube tray. Make sure to seal the bag tightly so no water leaks out. Next, place the bag in the freezer and leave it there for 1 hour and a half. The exact time may vary since not all freezers work the same, but you'll notice the water freezes much faster than in a traditional tray. What makes this method special is not only that it helps reduce freezing time and energy use, but also that you can create a large amount of ice at once. Once frozen, remove the bag, cover it with a towel, and gently hit it with a mortar's pestle. The ice breaks apart into perfectly sized cubes. Now you have plenty of ice ready for your next party or drink.